In some cases, this rule makes it possible for workers earning a salary to actually be paid less than the minimum wage. We're more than doubling the overtime salary threshold. To make matters worse, unemployment might mean he can't afford higher education, and he likely won't qualify for federal help simply because he may have made a decent salary a year ago before he was laid off. Now that makes it easier for them to make some of these changes because people don't feel like maybe they're losing some money out of pocket. They just know that they're getting a salary. Now, if you pay your workers a salary they can raise a family on, they're going to feel more loyalty to your company. They're getting, because if you're paying their salary, you should have health insurance that's at least as good as theirs. Right now, Butch isn't taking a salary so he can pay his employees, but he doesn't know how long that's going to last. His dad worked as a blue-collar worker, but just on that one salary, he was able to provide for his family and make sure that they always had enough and the kids had opportunity.
Fancy law firm, nice salary, big office. My friends were impressed. My family was proud.
If you have 50 employees making an average salary, that's an $80,000 tax cut. And all businesses will be able to continue writing off the investment. If you have 50 employees making an average salary, that's an $80,000 tax cut. Your great American said that he thought it was crazy that certain tax loopholes made it possible for millionaires to pay nothing while a bus driver was paying 10% of his salary. In fact, my first job in Chicago was working with Catholic parishes in poor neighborhoods, and my salary was funded by a grant from an arm of the Catholic Church. Police officer, plus a tax credit to make a year of college. So this president gave another speech where he said it was crazy, that's a quote, that certain tax loopholes make it possible for multimillionaires to pay nothing while a bus driver was paying 10% of his salary. Indeed, we know we are better off when women are treated fairly and equally in every aspect of American life, whether it's the salary you earn or the health decisions you make. And he said, this salary changed my life. It's the surest path to finding a good job, earning a good salary, making it into the middle class.